Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again to find backup and reset option and tap on reset phone. As you can see here, we've got on the second position, we've got a reset all settings option. So let's tap on it. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter to confirm. And here, just tap on reset all settings. Your device is informing you that all the settings will go back to their default. So just tap on reset all settings, of course, if you are ready. And basically, it's quite fast. It just worked. The system settings have been restored. So for example, the how's it called? The battery icon is different than it was. We do not have the gestures, but we've got the buttons and so on. So basically that's all. This is how to reset all settings in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.